Meaning of fatalism.
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 Fatalism. Fatalism is a philosophical belief that events are predetermined and cannot be changed by human actions or decisions. Fatalists believe that everything in life, including success and failure, is predetermined by fate and that humans have no control over their own destinies. As a result, fatalism often leads to a sense of resignation and passivity, where individuals feel powerless to affect change in their lives. It can also lead to a lack of motivation and a tendency to accept negative outcomes without taking action to prevent them.